I'll be discussing the Law Commission. The Law Commission of India is an executive level advisory body that was established by the Government of India. It is neither a constitutional body nor a statutory body. The Commission is an ad hoc body that is constituted to achieve a desired goal or objective of improvising the legal system in India. The Law Commission is composed of certain legal experts, advocates, judges, as well as professors. The Commission is headed by a retired judge and carries on the function of advising the Indian government by doing legal research and suggesting legal reforms depending on the prevalent situation. The Commission is established under the Ministry of Law and Justice for a fixed time period, normally 3 years. It is to be noted that the Law Commission of India is not defined under the Indian Constitution. However, it is constituted as a part of the implementation of Article 39A of the Constitution, which was included by the Constitution 42nd Amendment Act of 1976. Article 39A of the Constitution of India obliges the state to 1. Ensure that the legal system functions to promote justice based on equal opportunity for all, shall offer free legal assistance through appropriate legislation or programs, and to guarantee that no citizen is deprived of the opportunity to get justice due to a lack of resources or other impediments. That brings me to the end of this video. If you have any queries, you can post them in the comments. Thank you.